Welcome, my dear students. Today we are going to start a new chapter in economics, that is physical policy. Okay, let's start with meaning of and instrument of physical policy. In this chapter, we will understand three main instruments of fiscal policy, that is taxation, public expenditure, and public borrowings. Let's start with the meaning of fiscal policy. Meaning of fiscal policy. Okay. Fiscal policy is defined as the policy under which government uses the instruments taxation, public spending and the public borrowings to achieve various objectives of economic policies. So, what is fiscal policy? Fiscal policy is a part of public finance. Fiscal policy generally to meet the fulfillment of economic policies and lot of objectives, how the government uses its instrument such as taxation, public borrowings, public expenditure. This policy is called fiscal policy. Okay, the government decide under this policy how much tax levied and how much they expend. Okay, let's move on. Instrument of fiscal policy. First one is taxation. Okay, so there are mainly three instruments of fiscal policy: taxation, public expenditure and public borrowing. In this video we will talk taxation. Okay, let's start with meaning of taxation. Tax, meaning of tax. Tax is a compulsory contribution from a person to the government to defray the expenses incurred in the common interest of all without reference to special benefits conferred. So it means those who come under the tax levy provisions will have to pay tax compulsory. This is not voluntarily. Okay, tax is a compulsory contributions. Okay, this is not voluntarily. Okay, the nature of tax can be explained is four important characteristics. The first one is already explained, that is compulsory contribution. This is not voluntarily. Tax is a compulsory contribution to the state form of the people on account of income earned, ownership of property and certain economic activities carried on by the taxpayer. Okay, second feature is personal application, means टैक्स जिस पर्सन पे इम्पोज किया जाएगा बाय द सेम पर्सन टैक्स पेड किया जाएगा. ओके, यस. जनरल बेनिफिट, यस, टैक्स कलेक्टेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट फॉर जनरल बेनिफिट, फॉर कॉमन इंटरेस्ट या फॉर कॉमन वेलफेयर. ओके, एंड लास्ट वन इज नो क्वेड प्रो क्यो, मीन्स इन कंसिडरेशन गवर्नमेंट कुछ भी पेड नहीं करती है टू टैक्स जिससे कलेक्ट करती है. ओके, नाउ ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इम्पोज लायबिलिटी, टैक्स may be categorized in two categories. One is direct tax, another one is indirect tax. Let's understand direct tax. Is a tax one which levied on the income and property of a person. Okay, so Direct tax is a tax which cannot shift it to another, which will earn income. The same will have to pay tax, such as income tax, property tax, capital gain tax, wealth tax, etc. On the other hand, indirect tax, on the other hand, is one which levied on expenditure incurred. Means indirect tax is a tax which we can shift to another person, in which tax will paid some other person. Okay, tax imposed on other person and paid by other person, such as excise duty, sale tax, VAT, custom duty, etc. Okay.